What's up? Welcome to the channel, and in today's video we are going to be discussing the trap phase on the main amplifier heading east. For the newer people watching this, you're going to have to watch the beginning of these videos called the build phase. So we're going to go past the build limit, and right now we're going to be placing down lots of traps. Now for the people who have been watching these guides, right? At this moment, when it comes to the building phase, the trap phase I mean, you have to make sure that you've got your bases exactly how you want them. Because if you realized you made a mistake, there's no turning back. You're going to have to come back and start destroying your builds. Okay? Because you're not going to be able to fix it. You're not going to be able to make a wall. You're not going to be able to do anything. Okay? If you make a mistake when you're placing a trap, there's no fixing it. You can't knock it out and put the trap in you want there, because you're not going to be able to build, because you're going to be past that. I'm already past the build limit, right? Because I placed those traps over there and I thought I was recording and I was not. So I was wrong on that. Now let's hop right to it, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to run down here to this back side all the way down. As you see, I've had to fix a couple things already. I did the wrong thing in the wrong area, but we got it right now, and I had to rebuild all of this. So we're going to start back here, and we're going to use our ceiling drop tiles. Now, you do not have to have this exact build. Alright, I'm just using these up before we start building the 130s. You want somewhere around 3 durability, 4 durability, and 1 reload speed, and something with physical damage. All you're trying to do is just keep stunning them. Just keep stunning them. That causes the recycling. So we're going to be using these builds right here, and we're going to hop up. Another thing is, do not have your back facing towards your base, because if you put the tire trap down like this, and when these tires drop, it's going to push the husk closer and closer to your amplifier. So you want to push them back. So if you build it like this, you will be knocking the husk farther away every time it lands. Okay? So we're just going to start placing. And you see how we got that U right there? That's the side we want. That's going to be it for that. So take your time when you're building. This will be our last one. That's it for the tire traps. Now we're going to go over to our ceiling electrical fields. Mine are straight damage. That's what it's going to be. We're just going to start using these up. And I need to jump. And it's up. And that is done. So you want your ceiling, all your ceiling electrical fields on this side, including right here. In these 2 spots, we are going to put gas. And in the last spot, we are going to be using a ceiling zapper. All damage. heavy hits right there. Alright. This wall right here is going to be a subwoofer. We're gonna do a sub there, one more there. That will be it for that. Down here, we are going to be using these wooden floor spikes. More, which is fine. And we're just going to be using some tar pits going up. We just want them dancing down here. Now we're going to put on our darts. Oh. Now we're going to go to our Zappo Maxes. If you don't have them, just use wall dynamos. I don't really care what it is. We just need to be doing damage. Now we will continue the rest of this wall, which is going to be right here, right? I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna put a wall punch. I don't know if that's gonna work there, but... And that's it for there. Then we're gonna be doing tar pits. I don't think I have any 144s of those. Never asked. So we are going to do a retractable floor spike right here. Heavy damage. Just put on a Zappo Max since they're higher. Maximum amount of damage right here before they break out, which is not going to happen. They're not even going to make it anywhere near up here. I would like to add one more sub though. Who knows? I never really put nothing there before, so we're trying that now. Out here, we're gonna go. We're gonna heal this outside while they're attacking it, and then same thing with the inside. And on the inside, we're just gonna go darts. And that's it. That's all we're doing for that. And this side is completely done for that. Now we're going to jump up top here. And we are going to put down our anti-air. That I'm going to have to make. First we'll use up these ones. Damage. All right. That is it for the east. Now remember, you can always place down anti-air whenever you need it. Okay? You don't have to. You can. I just randomly put these down. I try to keep them on the edges. We are going to place some on that side as well when we get over to the north side. But this is it for the build. You can even technically put some right in here if you want. But this is the build. This is what it's going to look like. And I don't care about reload speeds and that things are walking through because everything's just dying as well. And they come back up, we're just putting it to them. You have nothing to worry about. So this build is absolutely a powerhouse. So GG. In the next video, we will be building the north. We'll be on this side. We'll be using more ceiling drops. Alright? So I will catch you in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be leaving a link in the description to join the Discord. Please do. I am trying to grow. I'd appreciate it. And have a good night, everyone.